This is a seed sucking and sowing machine with a vacuum system is there. We have got this tube which is to be attached to any one of them, adaptable to every of them. There is one air passage here. You can close it, it's faster sucking, then open it and it will become slow. There are 4 standard accessories here. We have got this 4 adapters mouths, so there are holes in this. You can see there are smaller holes inside. One is 0.1, 0.4 and 0.5. Then there is 1 mm and 1.6 mm. There are holes here on this, you can see. So there is one round one, so you can suck. There are 100 holes in these, 100, 100, 100 and this in this 50 are there. You can suck and then sow in the soil or count from the box. This time there is another optional item, tray is there. You can suck from the place or suck from here and count in another tray. There is now new tray has come, which is bigger one, bigger holes. You can remove this strip, you can remove this, and there are safety, you can remove it. It is about 1.8 mm or more than that, so that you can, we are giving this a new optional trays so that you can sow 149 holes are there in this 49. You can suck from the seeds and sow it one by one seed here. For seed counting also it can be used, and it can be used for sucking and placing and counting and other things. It's a very useful instrument. Please visit our website by abronexport.com. और ये बड़ा अच्छा इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, आपको बड़ा इजीली समझ आ गया होगा. And please visit our website. Thank you very much.